Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to be decorating for Christmas, so if you're interested in seeing how I decorate my mantle for Christmas this year, then I hope you keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is take down all of the fall decor. Next, I'm going to clean this all down. And now already in place, I have these thumbtacks right here up at the top. I spaced them out. I found the midpoint first, and then I spaced them out 5 inches apart, going that way and going that way. So what I did do on most of these is, you can't really see it, but there's a clear thread that I tied on each one of the thumbtacks, and it's hanging down all the way till about here, and each one is connected except for one. And then my plan is to make a nativity scene here using my Goodwill pieces. And then from the strings, I'm going to have ornaments hanging down. And it's going to be kind of like a triangle shape over the nativity scene. And I'm using just gold. And then I'm going to put a star, I think, in the middle. So hopefully all that works out. I know if you've been here for a while, you know I usually do tend to decorate with a non-traditional sense of decorating. I just think of an idea and I go with it. So here are the gold ornaments that I'm going to be using. Some of them I used in other projects, so they are a little messed up. So I'm going to use as much as I can. This is the gold star I'm going to use, and then I have the nativity set right here. So I'm just going to lay everything out. I'm going to tie these ornaments to the clear string, and then we will go from there. And I'm thinking about tying these two pieces in as well. These are stocking hangers. We don't use stockings, but I was thinking about putting these up also. So we'll see how it all comes together. I'm going to add this star in the middle, and I'm going to hang the ornaments from the string. So I'm going to go longer on the outside edge, and then it's going to get shorter and shorter. And actually, I think I'm going to bring this up some. Okay, so I'm going to make the ornaments hang longest on the edges, on the side, and then it's going to stagger up. And I put the peace sign at the lower level on this little shelf, and I put the joy over there.